वेलकम टू माय गाइस चैनल टेक टॉक। आज हम इस वीडियो में हाउ टू मेक मनी एज ए फ्रीलांस सोशल मीडिया मैनेजर। आज हम इस वीडियो में इसके बारे में सीखेंगे। वर्किंग एज freelance social media manager can provide a lot of freedom. Luckily, social media management can be done from anywhere as long you have access to a very reliable Wi-Fi connection. If you already have some experience under your belt, it's quick and easy to get started as a freelancer. Keep reading to find out how to get started in just 4 steps. You are an established social media manager interested in become a freelancer of a business looking of her one. We have outlined that rates, best practice and key requirements of the role below. Table of contents. What is a freelance social media manager? 7 skill a good freelance social media manager should have. How to become a freelance social media manager in 2021. 2021 social media freelance rates. 6 tips best practice for freelance social media manager. What is a freelance social media manager? A freelance social media manager is a social media marketing expert who provides on demand services. They are usually a team of one, are registered with their local chamber of commerce and work with multiple companies and clients. 7 skill good freelance social media manager should have. Copywriting. Copywriting media management requires creating lots of captions, so copywriting is key. Freelance social media manager should be good. The copywriting editing is the most effective. Social media posts are short, snappy, and witty. Photography and design.